Slow sauté beets with roasted eggplant. Trim eggplant on both sides and roast at 400 Fahrenheit. Large beetroot. Medium sweet onion. 2 cloves garlic. 2 tablespoon oil. Cayenne pepper. Finely shredded beetroot. Diced sweet onion. Coarsely chopped roasted eggplant. Add oil to large sauté pan. Add minced garlic and cook for 20 seconds. Add diced onion and cook until translucent. Add shredded beetroot and stir well. Cover and sauté at low heat about 20-25 minutes. Slow sautés need gentle heat, an occasional toss. Add chopped roasted eggplant and stir well. Season with salt and pinch of cayenne pepper. Cook uncovered for another 20-25 minutes. Remove from heat, season with freshly ground black pepper. Stir well. Serve it as crackers or toast topping, side for omelette, or rice, or pasta, as a bed for filet, chops, cutlets, or poultry, you name it. Enjoy.
Cette promenade m'a ouvert l'appétit.